And let's move to the next kind of demo, which is a paperless teller system with the Wacom and teller. Well, like if you go outside, and there's our partners, the Wacom. Wacom is the biggest the solution company, the device company, over the world, the Japanese company, right? And you can see the things, but the Wacom and the Samsung, the iPhone, doesn't matter. We are not like a hardware company. We are just software company working with the hardware. So you can see how you can reduce all the paper at the front desk, the teller counter. Okay, and can you show us the third demo?
Sure. Okay.
Oh, what is this?
So this is actually showing the paperless counter. I have my desktop, which is my web browser on the left, as well as my iPad on the right. So this itself.
Hang on. The left side, this is your desk.
Yep.
So let's suppose that you're a banker,
Yep.
your teller, the
Sure.
bank teller.
Correct.
You're sitting on your table.
Yes.
And then the right-hand side is your iPad.
Yep. Correct.
So you better hand over that one to one of the participants.
Anybody would like to try this out?
Ask him.
Sure. So just say this is. So maybe today, I think just say you're coming to the branch for this regular savings account. On my side, probably I can ask you like, hey, Mr. Customer, what is the kind of amount that you're looking to save every month? From my side, I just have to probably click here. And then on your side,
why is the color is a red color?
Red color means I cannot input it on my side. Definitely, it comes from the client.
Oh, then his side automatically the cursor goes to here.
Yep.
Okay, can you put the 10,000? And then what happened? Okay, 10,000 is here. So even teller cannot put the customer information, but he can indicate what's the kind of field the customer need to fill out in order. Later on, Mr. Lee my customer will explain detail, but
yeah, sure. So maybe now I just have to click probably like a fast opening. Okay.
Okay, and what's the black things that happen?
It's guiding me what things I need to ask the customer.
Guiding you or guiding customer?
Guiding me.
No, guiding customer. So customer side, guiding you. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
But it depends on whether you want the customer to do it as self-service or you want the...
That's right. Okay, the guiding, this is a kind of business logic. The tellers and the banker don't need to worry about fill up all the orders, bing, at the validation rule as well.
Sure. Okay, so maybe one last thing. So before we get the customer to sign, probably on my side, I want to do this. So I can put some annotations or highlight to make sure that the customer knows all the T's and C's. And then with that is to guide the customer to
Okay, hang on. Look at this one. Okay, so see here, the customer side also get the same kind of the marking color here. So even, can you make it bigger? But the other thing is it looks like a mirroring, but while the customer prepare filling up all the personal information, banker, teller can do another job, which is not 100% mirroring itself. So while the customer is preparing, I can do another job. Okay?
Sure.
All right. So then the next.
Last day is to get the customer to sign, of course. So
again, the red color is not yours. The customer needs to fill out. Okay, one more.
It's both of them. Yeah. Okay, you need to click for us. Yes.
Okay. Well, this is sorry. It's not Korea. I think in order to make sure this is the original one, this is the signature part. This is the kind of the name that you need to write down. So even our form can recognize how many strokes. For the case of, let's say, the Chinese, we can see the strokes, the number of strokes as well. Yeah, so we can put that kind of things. But now, so that's why we put the kind of validation. So saying is the name is wrong, something like that. Okay, but anyway, now you don't need to do it.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, Let's go back to the next, and maybe you signed yourself.
Am I sign myself? Oh, let me try.
No, not, don't use the customer's one. You are the teller.
Teller? Okay. Oh, here.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then submit. Then again, I don't need to hand over all the forms, and then you don't need to scan it at the same time. So everything will go back to like in a paperless environment.